Exploring Google Cloud Platform, a comprehensive overview of service and capabilities. In today's digital age, business and organizations all over the world are looking for powerful and scalable cloud solutions to drive innovation, improve efficiency, and accelerate growth. Google Cloud Platform (GCP), an expensive suite of cloud-based tools and services designed to meet the diverse needs to business ranging from startup to enterprise level. Corporation is one of the top contenders in the cloud computing arena. With its robust infrastructure, advanced machine learning capabilities, and seamless integration option, GCP emerged as a cloud computing force to be reckoned with. In this article, we will explore the key feature and advantage of Google Cloud Service, highlighting its capabilities and potential for business of all sizes. Evolution of Google Cloud Platform. The evolution of Cloud Platform (GCP) has been marked by continuous innovation and expansion, driven by Google commitment to providing cutting-edge cloud service. Let's explore the key milestones in the evolution of GCP. Early years 28. Google launched Google App Engine, a platform for building a hosting web application. 2010. Google introduced Google Cloud Storage, providing scalable object storage for developers. 2012. Google Compute Engine is launched, offering virtual machines on Google infrastructure. Expansion on infrastructure enhancement. 2013. Google Cloud Platform extends its reach with the introduction of Cloud SQL and Managed Relational Database Service. 2014. Google introduced Cloud Database and NoSQL Document Database and Cloud Pub Sub Managing Service. 2015. Google launched Google Cloud Data Approach, a managed big data processing service based on Apache, Handoff, and Spark. Enterprise Focus and Equation 2016 to 27. Enterprise Focus Equation 2016 to 27.